Srinivas Chaganti Bhaskar from India. We have developed this particular technology of flywheel power generation. This flywheel is a special flywheel because the inside part is a harrow, H-A-R-R-O-W. The top is the torus ring. The harrow and the torus ring will make a wheel which will be giving you more inertia and more angular acceleration. This wheel will rotate at 4,500 rpm to 6,000 rpm. The bearings are there inside the wheel. This is the motor. The motor is 22 kilowatt. It is 3,000 rpm. This will rotate the flywheel at 4,500 rpm. There is a gearbox here that we are not showing you now. The gearbox is there. So this gearbox will enhance the RPM to 6,000 RPM, and then this flywheel is connected to a generator. This is 32 kilowatt generator having 56 amps. This generator we have already tested with a load of 17 kilowatt, and we have successfully generated enough electricity. From this particular motor, the consumption is 17 amps. From this generator, it is 28 amps. So 10 amps is more in this particular sector. We have taken a load of two 6 kilowatt pumps. So this flywheel can be taken as an example to generate enough electricity for every home. Every home can have this particular system where in the bottom side you will be having the battery pack. The bottom side is totally empty, and in the back this is the empty space in this particular area where the battery pack will come, and it will be connected to the motor. The batteries are charged by rechargeable energies, and in this way this particular generated energy which is consumed by this motor is supplied to the batteries which are stored in the bottom side, and this motor will be rotating this particular flywheel with the energy stored in the batteries, and this flywheel will rotate the generator which is coupled to this particular flywheel. So in this way every home can generate 10 amps every hour and store in their batteries. Thereby in one day of continuous rotations you will be generating 240 amps. That will be enough to run your